guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel, where in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can search on Pinterest with like a picture. So press the search button over here and press the camera icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then click on images, or you can even take a picture. So I'm just going to go to my gallery and search a photo. For instance, I want to search by using this picture, and then it'll find pictures that are similar to the picture that you chose. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!